Hi, I'm Matthew Borie from Osprey Flight Solutions, bringing you our weekly update. Starting off with the COVID-19 pandemic, we've seen new nationwide lockdown measures take effect in the UK, which is expected to have a significant impact on the already struggling aviation sector in the country. Similar lockdown measures have been enacted in a number of European countries, to include France as well, which is also experiencing a negative impact on its aviation operations in the country due to the lockdown measures. We've seen some improvements in the Caribbean as a number of countries have resumed air traffic to those locations. There are still a number of measures in place for biosafety, which are being enacted to help prevent the spread of the pandemic in those areas. Looking forward, however, South America continues to struggle with the spread of the virus, and we can expect to see disruption to flight operations in a number of countries due to enhanced biosafety measures, travel restrictions, as well as the impacts from local area measures taken to limit the spread of the pandemic. Moving on to conflict zone overflight issues, we continue to monitor the situation between Armenia and Azerbaijan very closely. In the last 24 hours, in fact, we've seen 4 Azeri military drones shot down over Armenian airspace in Fur Yerevan along the border separating the two countries in the Vardenis area. We've also seen a number of drones and aircraft claimed to have been shot down by each side over Nagorno-Karabakh in the past week. NOTAMs issued by Armenia in the past month and a half have now been rescinded, and there are no active conflict zone related NOTAMs for Armenian airspace. However, the NOTAMs in effect for Azeri airspace are expected to persist through the month of October. We'll continue to monitor the situation and provide a daily update to our alert subscribers. Separately, on a crime and corruption related front, we continue to monitor issues related to the airline Aeroflot. They've had a number of employees who were implicated in a scheme to transfer electronics goods out of the United States and smuggle those into Russia via flights between the two countries. We've now also seen a number of Aeroflot employees arrested for smuggling cannabis oil out of the United States and into Russia. This has caused a bit of a diplomatic row between the United States and Russia, and insider threat and corruption issues are something that Osprey monitors very closely. We'll monitor this situation ongoing and look at other areas where similar activities happening globally and update our clients again via our alerts. That's all we have for this week's update. Please sign up to our LinkedIn page. Check out our weekly video next week, and as always, stay safe.